Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off that active now status on Instagram. Sometimes you just want a little privacy, right? Well, I'm here to help you out. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your Instagram app. Now head to your profile, just tap on the profile picture at the bottom menu to get started. Once you are on your profile page, look for the three-lined menu at the top right corner and tap on it. You are at the settings and activity option. Now scroll down and go to messages and story replies. Here you can see show activity status. Tap on that. Now here's the main event. Tap show activity status or toggle next to it. This will instantly disable your activity status. No more active now notifications for you. And there And yeah, there you have it. You have successfully turned off the active now status on the Instagram. Enjoy your newfound privacy. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.